judge of Dharwad bench. Dharwad judge or Dharwad bench judge has given relief for 3 years. Second year, that is the second semester, and as well as the second year, fourth semester. So these are promoted. At the same time, there is no clarity on 5 years as there was no petitioner in the petition. So tomorrow morning, we are going to approach the High Court bench in Bangalore and get this done, get the same thing done for 5 years as well. In the sense that the other semesters or the 5 year semesters, 5 years even semesters promoted in Bangalore. Now the repeaters thing is not clear because it is not a relief, or we have not asked any relief for the repeaters. So we will ask the VC to postpone it. If he agrees, that's well and good. Otherwise, he is again hell-bent on being as criminal as he was earlier. So it is just again, I think we'll have to keep our force of protest on him to amend his attitude towards the students.
Santosh, here I got a question.
Yeah, please ask me questions. No, in the order there is nothing as such where the timetable is quashed, but when we heard in the court, we felt that it is quashed, but when we read the order, it wasn't quashed. The relief is only for the 3 years LLB, second semester and fourth semester. Very specific. So it is the university which has to consider the situation and take a call and make this relief extended to those who are not writing or are asked to write the exams. So kindly I request the VC to not continue his anti-student stand, and please consider a few days of gap before he does ask the students to write further exams. So it's very straight request to the VC to consider and give a few days of time for everybody to.
Sir, my question.
Yeah, please.
Sir, 60% student has taken the hall ticket.
Yes.
Then they are giving the exam.
Yeah.
Then
See, this problem is still existing. The VC has to make a call. He has to consider that this is a very grim situation where students are not yet ready, thinking that this timetable will be postponed or maybe squashed or some kind of relief will come. So probably the VC has to take a call on this. We are trying to meet the VC and let's see what he has to say.
ನಾಳೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರು ಫ್ರೆಶರ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, 5 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೋ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಈಗ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಸಮ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾಳೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ, 5 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಬಲ್. ಅವ್ರು ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಾಳೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಬೇಡವಾದ ಬೈಕಾಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ? 5
ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ವರೆಗೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸೆಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇದೆ.
5 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
16th ಇದೆ. 16th
ನಾಳೆ ಇದೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ.
15th ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಐತೆ ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮದು.
ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್
ರಿಪೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಇದೆ. ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಲಾ 2.
ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸೆಮ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ರಿಪೀಟರ್ಸ್
ಸರ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ರಿ, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಇವನ್ ಸರ್
5 years fourth sem exam is. So what I suggest, it is not in the order because it's not in the order. What I suggest is tomorrow morning we are approaching the court in Bangalore. So it will be immediately taken. That's what we think. It should be taken immediately because justice. It is come to our notice that Justice Kirnigi has inquired about the judgment which has happened in Dharwad, and he might consider it on immediate basis so that the relief is extended to the students.
No, as it is tomorrow in the timetable only.
Yeah, sir, kindly repeat the question, please.
Tomorrow in the High Court Bangalore, the issue pertaining to timetable is coming up for a hearing.
Yeah. Yes.
Tomorrow it is
Immediately,
tabled.
very, very early in the morning. This is the first thing what we have spoken. We have spoken to them, and they have agreed to it, and they are moving to the Bangalore bench tomorrow morning.
So, 3 years. So 3 years second sem exam.
No, let us not to be panic situation,
I think
and we are going to get the things done, and the success will be in our favor. Just have a patience. That's all is a request to all of you. You don't have to worry for
But
it.
sir,
Have a
we can't
patience.
trust that
But
man.
1 minute. But the stand will remain very clear. If a situation boycott means boycott only. There is no change in that. Regular course, if anything is there, you are going to boycott it. Okay. Now it doesn't mean that 3 years people have got a promotion. What happened to the 5 years course, friends? 5 years course, you are also a part of it. Bangalore bench has to listen to you, because the relief which is given to the 3 years needs to be given even at Bangalore also. But for unfortunately,
at what
as
time,
rightly it is
sir?
stated,
At what
Hubli
time?
bench there was no 5 year student was available as a petitioner. That is the issue here.
One more last announcement. No one needs to panic as of now. Currently, as sir has already mentioned, about 5 years and 3 years, everything is clear. In addition to that, the fight is not over yet. Guys, the fight is not over yet. We cannot trust anyone at the moment. They can go for an appeal, but we need everyone's support as it is now. Okay? So if anyone is interested in contributing, they can contribute to Santosh's PhonePe or Google Pay or something like that. Okay? Please guys, we need your support. It is only by your support we are here now. Okay? Because we have to pay the advocate's fees and all. Okay?
Yes, sir. We will do it.
Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir. Sir.